Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take out the rear tower. But before you watch this video, check this one. It contains all of the basic information of RC car maintenance. Before we start with step number 1, you need to remember to take out the rear wing with the entire mount. Of course, the wing is partly attached to the tower, so you won't be able to disassemble it without it. There is a way to take a wing with the tower, but I honestly do not see a reason to do it this way. I will try to take as little parts as I can to take out the rear shock tower. We need to take the upper side of the shocks, inside the side of the links, and of course few screws that holds the tower itself to the gearbox. So with step number 1, let's take the shocks out. For step number 2, we need to take the inside side of the links. For this we'll be using this nut driver. It's smaller and easier to take this nut out. Of course, the drive shafts will fall out, so don't remember about them. Put them in the safe space and remember to attach them back again while assembling. For the last part, last 6 screws for the tower, and that will be it. So that will be it. Tower is in your hand. Now you can replace it or clean this area. Remember that there are nuts here that holds the tower to the bulkhead. You don't have to take them out if you don't want to. They will stay on its place, and simply it will be a little bit easier to assemble it all back together. And of course, if you want to put it all back, reverse the steps. Don't forget to put them back in. That's a very common thing that plenty of even experienced driver did before. So that will be it. The rear tower is now reassembled. I want you to remember about one very important thing. Please tighten this screw for the shock standoff very tight, because if this comes loose, the shock standoff is quite easy to break. Thank you very much for watching. That will be it for this video. Of course, subscribe to see more of videos like this and many more. What is more, follow Team Corrali on our social media at Facebook and Instagram. If you need any help, contact us via support@corrali.com. And of course, if you want to see this car and each and every car in our lineup, please visit our showroom world.corrali.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
Team Corrali, engineered to be the fastest.